In this video, I'm going to cover the WooCommerce setting and payment options. So we can see this is the WooCommerce, and we can directly click home, or we can click the settings here. So click the settings for in this video. So first thing, we will see the general, and here we can edit our address and everything, zip code and other state name, and we can set the selling location from here, shipping location from here. We can if we want to enable coupons, we can enable this from here or disable that. And this option for the currency, currently by default it has been set as US dollar but we can change it to any other currencies, and the currency option is currently set on the left side. We can also set that on the right side, and the number of decimals is 2. Also we can customize the separator here. So this is the general options. Let's jump to the product options. Okay, this is the shop page, which we can select our shop page if we have created any page specifically for shop, but by default it has been set as the shop page of WooCommerce. So we need to keep this as it is. Then come to the bottom here, we will find the measurement, which is currently it has been set as kg. We can change, we can set that as lbs or anything else. We can also set the dimension how we want to have. And then for the review option, we can enable product review or disable from here, and also we can enable the star ratings if we want, or we can disable that from here. Now the shipping option, here you can see the shipping. Let's add, leave this for now. Okay, so we can add the shipping zone. So here we can see the shipping zone we have created. We have shipping options here. We can calculate the shipping, here you can see, and some options here available. But first we need to create a shipping zone. If we want to create, if you want to charge them for the shipping cost also, then we need to create shipping zone and shipping classes. It's a bit advanced work of WooCommerce, but let me show you something, some basic thing of shipping zone. Okay, currently we are in the shipping zone option here, you can see. So let's add a shipping zone. So assume that we want to sell, we want to have the shipping zone on USA. If we want to have the region, let's find the region. Here we can find the regions. Let's assume that we want to set that as California. If you don't want to specify any regions, we can simply close that. After that we can save the change. It's saving. Okay, it's saved. After saving that, we need to reload this page. Let's reload. Okay, Then we can add shipping methods from here. Add method. There are a bunch of options: flat rate, free shipping, local pickup. Let's add a flat rate here. Add shipping method. After clicking the flat rate, we will find that here, flat rate, and now we can edit that here. Edit. So we can set the cost of the shipping, which is let's set that we need to add shipping cost, which is $5, and we can check this if it's taxable or not. Let's make it none and save the changes. So we just save the changes here, and now a flat rate of the shipping cost have been added through all the products. So let's come back to the website again. View this page, collection. Select this add to cart just for demonstration. Now view the cart. Okay, and currently we added the shipping calculator previously. That's why the shipping calculator is showing here. We can calculate the price according to the place of the cities, towns, and everything, and we can, whenever we fill up this information and update, if we have created any shipping classes for specific areas and distance, so this shipping cost will be displayed here according to that shipping classes. So currently we didn't create any shipping class. We simply added flat rate, so this part will not work for now. Let's proceed to checkout. So currently the shipping is not visible here because we didn't finish the process of adding shipping classes and something. Those things are very much advanced, so I will try to cover those things in another video. Let me give simple overview of WooCommerce options. So the shipping flat rate has been added. Let me disable the shipping calculator option. So let's come back here, shipping options. There you can see enable the shipping calculator. Let's disable that and save the change. Okay, now visit the checkout page again. Let's reload this. So whenever we fill up this information here, the shipping cost will be visible here because we have added a flat rate, which is $5. It will be displayed here. So let's jump to the other options, the payment, which is important. Let's click it here, payment. There are a bunch of options of payment. We can get the payment through PayPal, cash on delivery, check payment, and many other options. So let's see the PayPal option first. Enable this. Simply click that icon here. We can enable, and on the left and the right, very right side, we can click this button for setting up PayPal. Click that. After that, we can see that the dashboard of PayPal payment here. Here you can see enable, disable PayPal. We have to check that. If it's unchecked, then we can set up the title for the PayPal checkout. When we go to the checkout page, it will show that name, the payment method as PayPal. You can also change the description while making the payment, the description displays under the checkout option, and this is the email where we want to get the notification of any order, new order comes or any purchase happen. So let's come to the option of adding the PayPal account to this website so that we can get the payment on our PayPal account. Here you can see API credentials here. API credentials. This is the main option of getting the payments. So here you can see we have three options: live API username, live API password, and live API signature. So we need to get these two things must. This thing is optional. So how we can get this API username and API password? Simply all the steps given on this page, we can simply right click and open. We can see the steps of getting API username, password, or everything is written here very clearly. If you can get this through reading, you can simply make a search on YouTube that how to get API username and password. It's a very simple work, but currently my PayPal is not active, that's why I can't show you that, so I'm skipping this part. The next thing is account and privacy. You can read these steps and check according to your requirement of your online store, and the other things are pretty much simple. You can change the email if you want to get new order on your email or on a separate email. If you want to get the notification of order cancellation on a separate email, you can manage these emails from here. So these are the overview of WooCommerce setting. Let's jump to the other option as like home. Let's click that. Here we will be able to see our ongoing process of the store. We can see the orders. We can see which orders have been delivered successfully, which order is pending. We can see everything here, but currently the website, we don't have any orders and any histories, that's why it's not showing here. But this here we can see some other options, specific options as like orders. If we click that, we'll be able to see the orders. Here we can see the pending orders, the delivered orders, and everything. And here we can see some option of customers, reports, and everything. So these things are the overviews of WooCommerce performance as like performance and ongoing processes. So when the store is live, this option will help us to get the better ideas to manage our online store. So this is the simplest overview of WooCommerce, and on the next video I will be showing you how we can create the other pages as like home page, contact page, and blog, and display our products on the website. So let's see on the next video.